The Kikuyu Council of Elders in Murang'a conducted a ritual ceremony at Kahumbu in Kigumo constituency. The ceremony was aimed at appeasing and pleading with the gods to allow them to cut down some Mugumo tree branches that were hanging along the road that is under construction. A lamb was slaughtered during the ceremony and its meat burnt into ashes before they said a word of prayer in their traditional way. The elders said the branches will be taken to Kahumbu forest and burnt to prohibit anyone under 100 years from using them. Following the ritual, the construction of the road resumed after 2 weeks of a standoff.
Hii tabiko tulifanya na kondoo na iko kitu ingine tulifanyia inafuata iko pombe ya kienyeji kidogo tu, ile mnaona tunamwaga na ile mnaona tunasafisha watu naye ndio wakubariki, sababu kama sisi hatungekuwa tukifanya hivyo hakuna mtu angekubalika hapo kufanya kazi hiyo.